So Shaquille O'Neal has said that the Tesla Model S is not Shaq friendly. He also said, Elon, you want to make a big boy Tesla? That's his quote. He's looking for a big boy Tesla. I don't know if it's going to be the Cybertruck, though, because Shaq, I believe, famously endorsed a different electronic truck brand, Nikola. I think he tweeted about the Badger. So I don't know what type of big boy Tesla he's looking for, but he's a big boy. So he would need a big boy vehicle. Yeah, so this is him with the Badger. He tweeted about the Badger, I believe. What is his tweet? Nikola Motor Company just released the 906 horsepower electric truck. You know, I just reserved one for myself. 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Want one, reservations, etc. So he has some relationship with Nikola Motors, but maybe I don't know how it's all going to map out with the spacing in the Cybertruck. Would that be big enough for a guy like Shaq? I mean, he's 7 feet tall. You can watch the video there, actually, of him trying to get into his friend sort of sneaks a shot of him trying to get into the passenger seat, and he doesn't know at first he's being recorded. This is just a regular Model S, and you can see here, it's very difficult to get into it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the head is almost touching the sunroof, and the feet won't go in.
Oh, man.
And in a lot of cases, to be fair, if he wants to get into a sedan, he has to have a custom made with the chair pushed back.
Mm-hmm.
But he said, look, I'm looking for a big boy Tesla. So like I said, maybe this Cybertruck will solve his issues, or maybe he'll get one of the Badgers. He's apparently also been in touch with Rivian. He was present at Amazon's Mars event in June 2019, where Rivian CEO RJ Scaringe showed Shaq an R1T pickup. So Shaq's on the lookout. He's looking for that next electric vehicle that'll fit him. And we'll see if any can deliver it straight out the gate with the stock version, or if he's going to have to get some modifications on there to fit comfortably into any of them. But for right now, the Model S is not for Shaq.